Minister for Lands and Natural Resources, Honorable Emmanuel Amakofi-Boa, Abomoding Ababete, the National Anti-Illegal Mining Operations Secretariat, your friend NIMOS, to coordinate all the activities of Wamwa Emrama Omukwan say Wamu ebe fighti eye Galamsey. Because from what we know and from what we have heard from some sources say that ebinimukura wamu soria wamu ko eye Galamsey site. Say wamu kwa kwetia Galamsey no. They have some intent and purposes. I don't know these actions. Because there are issues we've been hearing of which doesn't sound well. Kaya Abaya Ofri Suma aye NDC Abayin Baso, the New Patriotic Party. There were issues of missing excavators. There were issues of missing excavators. Nanu ya. Aye, Dr. Hanna Bisiw'S Bomoding NNA SOMPA team members of the team of security, sir. One year they have put across one more etimiako seize 40 excavators. And each I don't know about Bonting Beka say. Out of the 40 excavators now, one more seize 33 of them were missing. And I was like, wow. During the past administration, we had issues of missing excavators. Issues of missing excavators. And on Ghana for the draw down credit now, so can say the New Patriotic parties fight against illegal mining, NCA, because omuko sisi excavators na excavators ni nyina akwakoyera. And here we are told again by Dr. Hanna Bisiw'S say almost sisi 40 excavators, and out of that 33 were missing. Meaning that Aka 7. And Nietzsche and the say the 33 missing excavators no become one this time around they are traceable. So what is the justification of a statement here? Dr. Hanna Bisiw'S Ediabato Abonting. So I am quite happy. Sir, the National Level Task Force a dia edom so NIMOS. Acronym. Open a tintin the National Anti-Illegal Mining Operations Secretariat on their bay. We are watching closely. And we know for a fact, sir, the Minister of Lands and Natural Resources is in control of this particular NIMOS. And we as journalists, yes, we are. So we yet no we here, yababo mabaso. So man here, yes, so no, the way no, yabaka. But task forces are hudwa, muha. They go to the Galamsey site and say, so I'm fighting Galamsey. No? When you listen to the Galamseyers on the other side, they tell you, say, Omba sites, the crowd no kwa. Go bass and be creating me. Yes, they say it. They make those complaints. And to where they are. I know, sir, there are agencies under the Ministry of Lands and Natural Resources. I know, sir, they also have some kind of mandate. But what I want to say is that they should all look up to the minister. Because we feel, sir, if the fight against Galamsey and Koya, it is the minister will be holding responsible. We will not hold Dr. Hanna Bisiw'S responsible. And I don't believe that is her work. I don't believe that is her core mandate. Because what some people are even saying is, Oji aye minister Emmanuel Amakofibua Ejumaye and to Ojina Nimunyam. And that is what is there. In politics, you don't overrule anything. So all we want to say then is Emmanuel Amakofibua, we want you to take charge. Because at the end of the day, it is you who will be holding accountable. But you better say, I hire SOMPA 106.5 FM. You better call now.